Natanong ko sa'yo. Papa Bobo,
Yes, good morning to all of you.
ano ba tawag sa lugar na to? Sa pinuntahan natin na to?
What you see is the population around here is very occupied, and the house of this is going to break down. Very garbage around there, oh. Then you'll see come here, come over here, and you see my uncle's farm. There is duck. Yes, Donald Duck. There, and there is chicken. There's cow, horse. This is going to expand. And the river around here, come over. This is the river over here. You see, the water is very white. White na white. And there, come here. These goats are uncle's property. Those XR and that XR. Hey, that XR means buy with my uncle Joe. The garbage around here, and there, everywhere. Here, there, and everywhere. Is my uncle's house.
Papa Bobo, paano po yung mga basura na yun? Ano po gagawin dyan?
Sa mga basura, kailangan natin gawin yan, tapon natin sa tamang lugar, hindi tulad yan, tamo kami nahihirapan. Ngayon, and then, we're trying to lilinisin namin to. Kakayanin namin to linisin. Aray!
Yung mga ring po, paano na? Wala po kami
The court over there and over there. We will papagawa namin yan. Request namin yung kay chairman. And over there, the people over there. Hey! Good morning! Did you have breakfast in my house? The sun's very serious. And the mango tree, the santo tree, the acacia tree, banana tree, the buko tree, the sampalok tree, the Manila tree, the kamachili. And now we're processing by those guys who are now it's over here. It's end up here. So this population is very private. Okay, thank you very much.